Hello, my name is Paul from Elite Pilates and Yoga Services Teacher Training here in Devon. This is the equestrian series of videos. It's Pilates aimed a little bit more specific for horse riders in particular. Now, having said that, just about any Pilates will benefit most sportsmen, not just horse riders. So, one issue that can bedevil almost anyone that spends a lot of time in a seated position, certainly horse riders are prone to it, and that is sciatica. Now you can read my blog in relation to sciatica, read whatever you want on the internet in relation to sciatica. Keep it simple, there's two types. One type is what's called true sciatica, which is issues usually in the L4 to S1 area of the spine. Most people's sciatica, and especially what bedevils riders or anyone that spends time seated, is what's called pseudo-sciatica, and that basically is a tightness in the gluteal muscles, which impinge on a nerve. So you've got a nerve, and you've got a muscle. Now some people, the muscle, the piriformis muscle, the nerve actually runs through the muscle on some people. So I've only got to take a little bit of tension there for it to impinge on a nerve and to give you sciatic-like symptoms from the gluteal area, usually the posterior side, the hamstrings down to the calf, sometimes even into the foot. Invariably it's pain, sometimes it can be tingle and numbness. So we're interested in pseudo-sciatica. So one stretching movement that we can do in Pilates, I just simply call it the piriformis stretch, and I'll demonstrate now a little bit of explanation. Actually, I'll explain first this one. First of all, I assess. I've got two springs on, don't overthink that. You can adjust the tension. It's a little bit more nasty when you put more springs on. As you'll see, this leg is relatively straight, soft knee. I'm just putting that ankle over that thigh and allowing that just to go down to where it normally wants to go. And I'm just assessing roughly what angle that is. I'm going to try the other side and do the same. Now I knew anyway that my left is far tighter. In other words, the left one is basically up there somewhere. So I'll work on that one. More so the other one, because we are after balance. If you spend 5 minutes stretching this side and 5 minutes stretching that side, I'm still left with an imbalance of a tighter left side. So you need to pay a little bit more attention to what side is problematic to you, more so than the other side. So this is the movement. From there, I'm going to keep this as a basic one. I'm just going to bring the reformer. I'm just going to bend that knee, so as my pelvis moves towards the edge of the reformer, and putting that piriformis and a lot of other muscles. It's not just piriformis, you've got a lot of other muscles in the gluteal area that you're stretching off, which will all benefit. And I'm just going to take it out and bring it in, not to a point of pain, but certainly some discomfort, making sure and ensuring you don't take any discomfort into the knee or any pain into the knee. We'll have to go and ask about comfort. Now you can take that a bit. If I put more springs on, it's going to go down a little bit more force, tend to put more stretch, more of a stretch. But this is fine for me. Now if you want to take it a slight stage further, you put the hand on there and just apply gently. Again, all this is pain-free. Not discomfort-free, but pain-free. You apply pressure down, and then you bend and bring it in. Ooh, it's a little bit more now. Put it more and stretch. So it's not just the piriformis, you've got two gemellus, two obturator and quadratus femoris, as well as a little bit of the gluteal as well. So put in stretch. Why is this beneficial? Again, not just for riders, but to anyone that's a seated position, the muscle is static. Now we haven't evolved, or we don't function well in a static position for any length of time. You think how long we are sat down for, whether driving to work, sitting down in work, driving home, your activity, horse riding, whatever it might be, where you're in a seated position and these muscles are in a fixed position and you're working them. They basically shorten, they can tighten, and they can impinge on tissues, on nerve, which creates the sciatic type pain. So that's one very good stretch to do. So do both sides, but focus a little bit more on your problematic side, and you may feel it any area, but certainly in the glutes, maybe a little bit of hamstring, maybe down here into the knee. Don't overthink that, provided you don't take pain into the knee, that's fine. And that's a good piriformis, that's a good stretch on the gluteal area. That's a piriformis stretch on the reformer. My name is Paul, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and comment on our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye-bye.